What's going on, guys? So it's Levi here with Sioux Automotive. It's kind of late out right now, about 10 o'clock at night. And today we're going to be doing a headlight video. I'm going to be showing you how to change the headlights on the FC. I'm going to be changing it to that L.E.D system that my wife got me. So first off, let me just show you what it looks like fresh with the old headlights, and then I will of course be editing this to where it will show me putting it in tomorrow morning. And so let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so as you can see there, not that bright. That's right next to it. This is kind of how they look. If you can see, I don't know if you can see, it may be too bright, but I mean they're not that bright. Very dull looking and whatnot. So hopefully by putting in the new the new lights, we can go ahead and make them a lot brighter and make it to where I can actually see and reliably drive this thing at night. Alright guys, so I'll be right back. What is going on, guys? It is Levi here with Sioux Automotive, and in today's video we are going to be changing out the headlights of the FC. So we're going to be going from this old, outdated, just ugly, not bright headlight to the brand new headlights that I got for Christmas. And here they are. They're nice bright LEDs. Or at least I hope they're bright. I haven't actually tested them yet. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so to get started, all you have to do, you just open the door. And rather than turning the whole headlights on, you just twist this little knob right here, and it goes ahead and it pops up the headlights without turning them on. So let me go ahead and get you set up real quick. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. The old-fashioned to the new. I think it's a very nice, aesthetically pleasing upgrade. I will be showing a night view later on tonight to show you guys the before and after. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, it is time to remove this headlight and replace it with the new LED one. First off, these covers right here and here have to come off. It's easy, it's just 6 screws. You got screw here, screw here, screw here, screw here, here, and here. Let's go ahead and get that off. It's a Phillips head screwdriver, by the way. Now that the screws are off, these two pieces come off relatively the same time. That's one piece. And that's 2 pieces. Now it's time to take the actual bulb or headlight out. It's just 4 screws. These are also Phillips screws. Right there. 4 at each corner. And there we go. It's 4 screws. The bracket comes off. Headlight comes out. Let me just undo the connector. And there we go. Old junk headlight up, gone. Time for the new one. Now, I do know it is not a direct fit over this headlight. This headlight seems to be a little thicker, so the actual frame itself doesn't like to go over the headlight. At least it didn't on the passenger side, and it doesn't on this side either. The way around that is it hits here at every corner. So right here
right here at every corner is where it likes to catch. So we're just going to bend that out of the way just a little bit. I'll be back when that's done. Alright guys, now that we have it adjusted, there is some minor adjustments that we do have to do after I put it in. Go ahead and grab that bolt now. Alright, got the bolt. What I learned from the other side is that you want to start with the bottom first. So first we want to plug this in, that way it doesn't move. We want to kind of loosely let our headlights sit right there. Now that we have the bottom situated, we can now get to the problem at hand, which is fitting it over the rest of the frame. We'll start with this top left. Mind you, it is a very, very, very tight fit. Now that we got them all lined up properly, you want to go ahead and just tighten it down. Make sure they're all tightened down, because the last thing you want is a loose headlight. Just double check, make sure it sits nice and tight. Double check all your screws. Alright, it's time to put the frame back on. Another thing that I learned after putting the passenger side on is that these both need to go on at the same time. You cannot put one on and then tighten the other one. They both go on loosely first, and then they kind of fit into place. You really want to make sure that this is lined up right, because if it's not, probably going to have some clearance issues. There we go. All done. Now we just wait for night.
And will you look at this? It is nighttime now. Alright, so it's time to go ahead and check out what the lights look like now that they are installed, and it's night. And here we go. That is a lot bright. A lot brighter than the originals. That's just regular, and that's the brights. Regular, brights. Regular, brights. Let's go check out. So, as you can see, they are a lot brighter. So bright that I can't even pick it up on the camera. So, it's the first row, and then the middle dot is what your normal lights are. And then for the brights, it lights the whole thing up. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more updates. And yeah, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.